If you want to do solo travel, think about where you want to go first. And then, look for a very cheap flight. Tapos i-book mo agad. Basta alam mo na may pera ka, may budget ka at kaya mo. I-book mo agad. Huwag mo nang antayin na palipasin mo pa yung panahon, palipasin mo pa yung opportunity na kaya mong mag-book ng flight at saka kaya mong mag-travel kasi physically able ka pa at financially able ka pa. So, again, traveling is very, very important kasi beneficial siya sa overall health mo, especially sa mental health mo at emotional health. So go travel lang ng travel, basta hindi ka mangungutang at hindi ka makakapurwesyo ng tao. At hindi mo mapababayaan yung sarili mo rin sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay, especially yung future mo.